Hello everybody, here is Isfahan. Today is 3rd of April at 4 p.m. Here is QOLI AQA Historical Bath. We are here today to get more familiar with it and have a short walk. So stay tuned. This monument was built in 1713 during the Safavid dynasty. Since Iranians have always paid much attention to hygiene and cleaning in the pre-Islamic period, many public baths can be found in the cities and villages of Iran. QOLI AQA Historical Bath is one of them, that, like most of the other baths, is made up of several parts, such as locker room, greenhouse, and bath. The locker room is the first part we're entering. The locker room is designed in the form of a regular octagon, and around the locker room there are platforms with 4 basins and a dome that is based on 8 large stone columns. The sculptures you see represent different events such as washing, praying, massage, and resting, which all of them have taken place in the bath. The locker room and the greenhouse are connected to each other by this corridor. This is the main area of the bathroom where the washing was carried out. which the dome-shaped roof of it is built on several stone columns. The wedding is one of the ceremonies taking place in the bath, as the bride and groom have been brought in the bath before the main wedding ceremony, and they had a brief celebration in the bathroom. You can see in all parts of the bathroom the streams and pools where the water spouts are embedded in them. It will make the pleasant sound of water and water spouts in the shower, and people relax in the shower. Among the decorations used in the bath, we can refer to tiling in 7 colors and with the paintings of flowers on it. Using these decorations had given the people a very relaxing atmosphere. Various paintings with different themes used in this monument have been attributed to Qajar's era, about 2 centuries ago. The ceiling is dome-shaped, and on top of it there are openings that pass the light. But it isn't simply done. The architects of the building have placed the glass-shaped windows at each aperture, which causes the refraction of light and spread it into space. Knowing that these glasses only pass the light on one side of the window and there is no possibility of seeing inside the bath from the roof. With the size of 983 square meters now, and as the Museum of Anthropology, this monument has been exposed to the public view of tourists. Please introduce our channel to your friends so we can have a better understanding of Iran. Thank you for following us. This is Iran.